So we continue with National AIDS Control Program. The services offered through targeted interventions include detection and treatment for sexually transmitted infections, condom distribution, condom promotion through social marketing, behavior change communication, creating an enabling environment with community involvement and participation, linkages to integrated counseling and testing centers, linkages with care and support services for HIV positive, HRGs, and community organization and ownership building. Specific interventions for IDUs, distribution of clean needles and syringes, abscess prevention and management, opioid substitution therapy, linkages with detoxification and rehabilitation services. Specific interventions for MSMTGs, provision of lubricants, specific interventions for TG HRA populations, provision of project based STI clinics. Link Worker Scheme. The Link Worker Scheme is a community based outreach strategy to address HIV prevention and care needs of HRG and vulnerable population in rural areas. The specific objectives of the scheme include reaching out to these groups with information and knowledge on prevention and risk reduction of HIV and STI, condom promotion and distribution, providing referral and follow-up linkages for various services. It includes counseling, testing and treatment of STI and opportunistic infections through link workers, creating an enabling environment for PLHIV and their families and reducing stigma and discrimination against them. In partnership with various development partners, the Link Worker Scheme has been expanded and is being implemented in 17 states covering 163 highly vulnerable districts. Blood transfusion services. Only licensed blood banks are permitted to operate in the country and voluntary blood donation is encouraged since 1st Jan 1998. The strategy is to ensure safe collection, processing, storage and distribution of blood and blood products. Zonal blood testing centers have been established to provide linkage with other blood banks. As per National Blood Safety Policy, testing of every unit of blood is mandatory for detecting infections like HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, malaria and syphilis. NACO is supporting 1,167 blood banks, including 304 blood component separate units BCSU and 34 model blood banks, 260 major blood banks and 613 district level blood banks. Blood storage centers were established first at referral units at sub-center levels for wider availability of safe blood, particularly for emergency obstetric care and trauma services. Condom promotion strategies will be strengthened through free distribution and social marketing channels, non-traditional outlets, female condoms, etc., aided by effective communication strategy. On the basis of HIV prevalence and family planning needs, the districts have been mapped and classified into 4 categories. High prevalence of HIV with high fertility, high prevalence of HIV and low fertility, low prevalence of HIV and low fertility, and low prevalence of HIV and high fertility. During 2014, the coverage of condom social marketing program implementation was spread across 395 districts, that is 141 HPHF and 84 HPLF and 170 LPHF districts in all states. Objectives: increase demand for condoms among high-risk bridge and general population, maximize access of free condoms with the minimize wastage, increase sales in rural areas to make it available within 15 minutes of walking distance from any location. This prevents HIV infection as well as decrease STD. Free condoms Nirodha procured by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and distributed by NACO and SACS to HRGs through TI, NGOs, ICTC, ART centers for HIV prevention. STD control program is linked to HIV/AIDS control as behavior resulting in transmission of STD and HIV are same. HIV is transmitted more easily in the presence of another STD. Hence, early diagnosis and treatment of STD is now recognized as one of the major strategies to control spread of HIV infection. Following measures are taken for STD control: management of STDs through syndromic approaches by color-coded kits, integration of services for treatment of reproductive tract infections of STDs at all levels of healthcare. STD clinics at district block first referral unit level would function as referral centers for treatment of STDs referred from peripheries. All STDs clinic would also provide counseling services and good quality condoms to the STD patients. NACO has branded STI and RTI services as Suraksha Clinic and has developed a communication strategy for generating demand for these services. Pre-packed STI RTI color-coded kits. Pre-packed color-coded STI RTI kits have been provided for free supply to all designated STI RTI clinics. These kits are being procured and supplied to all state AIDS control societies. The color code is as follows: Kit 1 gray for urethral discharge, anorectal discharge and cervicitis, green for vaginitis, white for genital ulcers, blue for genital ulcers, red for genital ulcers, yellow for lower abdominal pain, black for inguinal fever. Clinical condition: kit to be prescribed, drugs included, and image you can see here. Information, education and communication is the key to generating awareness on prevention as well as motivated access to testing, treatment, care and support. Communication in National AIDS Control Program 4 is directed at to increase knowledge among general population, especially youth and women, on safe sexual behavior, to sustain behavioral change at high risk groups and bridge populations, to generate demand for care, support and treatment services, to make appropriate changes in societal norms that reinforce positive attitude, beliefs and practices, to reduce stigma and discrimination. Adolescence education program was runs in secondary and senior secondary schools to build up life skills of adolescents to cope with the physical and psychological changes associated with growing up. Under the program, 16 sessions are scheduled during the academic terms of class 9 and 11. State AIDS Control Society have further adapted the modules after state level consultations with NGOs, academicians, psychologists and parent-teacher bodies. This program is being implemented in 23 states and by March 2014, 49,000 schools have been covered. Red Ribbon Clubs. The purpose of Red Ribbon Club formation in colleges is to encourage peer-to-peer messaging on HIV prevention and to provide safe space for young people to seek clarifications of their doubts and myths surrounding HIV/AIDS. The RRCs also promote voluntary blood donation among youth. Red Ribbon Club. Achievements. Capacities of state AIDS control societies and district AIDS prevention and control units have been strengthened. Technical support units were established at national and state level to assist in program monitoring. State training resource centers were set up. Strategic information management system have been established with 15,000 reporting units across country. ART centers, ART link centers and COEs, ICTCs were established and support agencies were increased. In 2016 to 2021, strategy by UNAIDS is a bold call to reach all those people who are left. It is a call to reach 90-90-90 treatment targets to protect the health of people living with HIV. 90% of people should be aware of their infection. 90% of that population should start on ART. 90% out of those taking ART should have undetectable HIV in their body till 2020. Target 1.75% reduction in incidence of infection from 2010 to 20, reduce in annual death rates to less than 5 lakh till 2020. Thank you.